I'm glad that you clicked on the video because we're going to be seeing how to create a hunger bar just like the game in 99 Nights in a Forest. Alright, now that you have Roblox Studio open, the first step that we always have to do, we'll click on View and make sure that you have Explorer and the Properties window open. We'll be using both of these for today. We're going to go to the Starter GUI. This basically means GUI is the graphical user interface. That's anything that you can see on the screen. It's usually buttons or leaderboards, or even a button where you press to get a game pass. Click plus on Starter GUI, and we're going to add a screen GUI. Once you've added the screen GUI, let's rename it to Hunger GUI. Now if I have a capital letter, make sure to do it capital letter. If there's small letters, do them small letters. If you have a mistake in the name, most likely it will not work. We're going to click plus and we're going to add a frame. Now the frame is a bit too big, so let's change its size. There we go. Now the X, we're going to do it 0,300. And then the Y, we're going to change it 0,26. This is how tall or short it will be. You can drag this wherever you want. And we're going to rename it from frame, and we're going to call it bar, because this is the bar where we'll see the progress of the player's hunger bar. We'll change its transparency and its color as well. So transparency, I'll do it 0.3, and then color, we'll change it to red. There we go. The next one is fill. This will be in front of the bar. So let's click plus on bar and add a frame, and let's rename this to fill. Let's resize it so it matches the exact size of the previous one. And then this color, we can leave it any color that you want. I'm going to make it exactly the same as the one in 99 Nights in a Forest. It's a darkish brownish orange. There we go. Next step, click on Hunger UI, click plus, and we're going to add a text label. This basically will show us the player's hunger in the game. For now, all that you need to do, write text in the properties. Instead of label, we'll change it to hunger, and that will be 100% because we'll start with 100% hunger. The background transparency, I'll change it to 1. That means it will be invisible. And then text, can change the font of the text and the colors as well. This part is all up to you. You can change it to whatever color or font that you want. So I'll make it bold, and I'll choose this one, comic. Click plus on text label, and I'm going to add a UI stroke as well. UI stroke, I'll make it white. Text label, I'll make this a bit bigger as well. And this text label, we do have to rename it to %. There we go. There's the UI done. Now it's the more complicated side of it. We have to start coding. But lucky for every single one of you, these codes, they'll be in the comments below, and they'll also be in the Discord. Don't forget the Discord is free to join, and there will be all the codes over there as well. Let's click plus on server script service, and let's add a script. Let's rename the script to hunger server. Let's add the script. So we're going to start hunger with 100%, and then drain per second 0.5. So every 2 seconds, we're going to remove 0.5%. Just to test it out, I'll change it to 10. So we'll lose 10% of our health every second. That means we'll only have 10 seconds to starve, and then after 10 seconds, we'll start giving us 2 damage. Let's give it a try, but as you'll see, for now nothing will happen. That's because we still have to add one more script that's in the client GUI. This is going to be the one that's showing us the percentage go down and also the hunger go down. So for this, in hunger UI, let's add a local script. And there's a script over here. Basically, we're connecting the local script to the hunger server, and every second it's going to show us 10 less on the UI. Let me just move all, and there it goes. We have 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and then our health is also going down. Now in the next video we're going to be seeing as well how to add edible items. For example, if you eat an apple, you'll get more health, and also your hunger goes up. We'll be seeing this in the next video only if we get 100 likes on this video. If we get 100 likes, we'll make part 2 of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you for viewing.